Welcome back to another vlog.
The blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's
Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing. So today is mag-unboxing tayo ng ating parcel na gold kasi merong nag-order po. So ito na po siya guys. So bubuksan natin siya ngayon para makita natin kung ano yung in-order ng ating buyer. Tara. So ayan. Buksan ko na siya. So, ganito ako magbukas. Diba? Ano ba yun? Hirap. So, ito na. So, may dalawang box. Actually, buy one take one to. Sale to siya last month. So, sale siya. So, buksan natin. It's a lightweight lang, guys. So, yung first one is itong cross pendant. Ito yung cross pendant na isa. Yan. So, ayan po. And then, the next one is, ito po yung pangalawa. It's a lightweight. Ayan. Kasi sinale siya last month. So, mura lang kasi. So, actually, ang daming nag-order nito sa akin. Oo, ang dami. Doon tayo nakatiba-tiba. Kasi ang daming nag-order. Kasi nga, may mga pa-sale yung aking supplier. So, maraming nag-order. So, ito, the last one is, ito yung heart pendant with the dancing chain. Dancing chain po yan. And then, ito po is cross pendant with the rope chain. So, ito po yung rope chain. So, ayan. So, ayan. Ito po yung in-order sa atin, guys. Para makita niyo. Tcharan! It's a lightweight. Order po to, guys, from Bicol. All the way from Bicol, Legazpi at yun nag-order. Taga Legazpi. So, ayan, madam. Hindi ko na i-mention kung anong pangalan mo. But anyway, thank you so much for sa pag-order. Okay? So, yun lang. Flex ko lang to, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.